Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to the English tutorials. In this tutorial you will learn grammar, vocabulary and communication skills in order to become fluency in English. We start with absolute beginner level. Let's get started. Lesson 1. The alphabet. The English alphabet is a Latin alphabet and has 26 letters. It includes 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, and U, and has 21 consonants. Each letter has an uppercase and a lowercase. Uppercase is used for names of things and at the beginning of the sentence. The alphabet pronunciations are A. A. A is for apple. B. B. B is for butterfly. C. C. C is for cat. D. D. D is for dog. E. E. E is for elephant. F. F. F is for fork. G. G. G is for guitar. H. H. H is for horse. I. I. I is for igloo. J. J. J is for jar. K. K. K is for kite. L. L. L is for leaf. M. M. M is for magnet. N. N. N is for nest. O. O. O is for orange. P. P. P is for penguin. Q. Q. Q is for queen. R. R. R is for rake. S. S. S is for socks. T. T. T is for turtle. U. U. U is for umbrella. V. V. V is for violin. W. W. W is for watch. X. X. X is for xylophone. Y. Y. Y is for yo-yo. Z. Z. Z is for zebra. Okay, and also, we can use the alphabet in order to spell word. So let's spell out names. Mary. M-A-R-Y. Jennifer. J-E-N-N-I-F-E-R. Lisa. L-I-S-A. James. J-A-M-E-S. David. D-A-V-I-D. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button. See you in the next video.